Will Hurricane Hilary drench Southern California with rainfall unheard of since 1939? A hurricane hasn't hit areas of Southern California, Arizona and Nevada since 1939. This looks like it could be really bad with the flooding rain falling in these areas that is completely unheard of. Español, el huracán Hilary empapará el sur de California con lluvias inauditas desde 1939? Un huracán no ha golpeado áreas del sur de California, Arizona y Nevada desde 1939. Esto parece que podría ser realmente